Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross for Ross Wristwatch Love back in the building. Now, I want to thank everybody, who like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. We really appreciate that over here. But yo, let's get into this vintage classic. This is a Etanche vintage watch from the World War II era. Okay? The term Etanche is a French word for waterproof, indicating that this watch was designed to withstand the rigors of combat and adverse weather conditions. With this vintage mechanical design, the men's Etanche watch is a true collector's item that captures the spirit of the World War II era. Now, looking at the case of this watch, I don't think that this is like a base metal. You know what I mean? It may be plated in some type of gold. And you see, the only reason why I'm saying that it's not like a base metal from back in the day is because look at the case. The case looks pretty good. But then on top of that, the watch in general looks pretty good. Like if you look at the dial, the hands, and the markers, this watch looks like it has been taken care of. The movement inside this watch is a Cupular 233, which is an old French hand-wound movement, which was produced for several decades. When in 1965, the France Ibachis, I know I screwed that one up, was founded, and the Ibachis Cupular were part of them. The caliber 233 was produced from then on as the FE 233-60. The caliber 233 is a 15 joule movement with a decentralized second hand at the 6 o'clock. I love the small second hands. I'm a sucker for it. And technically, this movement resembles clearly the state of the art of the 1940s with this non-shock protected screw balance. Newer versions of this movement use a differently shaped gear bride and an incabolic shock protection system. The best version even contained a gold balance with screws. And shout out to the homie Cut Tracks for passing this joint along to me. I really appreciate it. But overall, I think this is a beautiful watch. Okay, I love the way the dial looks. You know what I'm saying? I love the small second hand at the 6 o'clock. I love the indices going around. I love everything about this watch. This is a super dope vintage watch. And then just look at that dial in that case. That dial in that case is the bomb shiggity. You know what I'm saying? You can't get no better than that. The crown a little big on it, but you know what? I like that because on some vintage watches, crowns are very, very small. And on this one, it's not hard to wind. So check this out. This your boy P. Ross. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're coming back with more bangers, and we up out of here. Peace.